Here comes that old gal, Grandeur of the Seas, just squeezing in past us. Oh my, are we gonna have a horn battle? She's squeezing past in this very narrow channel. It's very shallow over here. It's very shallow, as you can see. Oh, horn battle. Horn battle. That's our horns. Come on, one more. She's gliding her engines past us. Look at that. It's a very narrow channel. Yes, you did get on the wrong ship. How come every time you pass another ship you have to wave? There's that old gal, the oldest ship in the fleet, Grandeur of the Seas. We already went. There's that old gal. Not much clearance, but there she is. The oldest ship in the fleet and one of the newest ships in the fleet. Probably the second. I think we're the second newest ship in the fleet. Wonder being the newest. There's the crew area. Oil platform in the distance. There goes that old gal. You can see how shallow it is. See the sandbar there? She's heading to Curacao tomorrow. We were in Curacao yesterday. She's gonna get a little bit further past that sandbar, make her way into the channel, and curve on out. Head off into the sunset. See the shallow water over there. There is your Grandeur of the Seas in Aruba. And you can see the channel markers. She'll be making that turn. The pilot boat is out there. Pilot is on board. At one time, that was the largest cruise ship in the world. There is your Grandeur of the Seas in Aruba.